Video.
I hope somebody's videoing this. Please send everything you've got to me.
I've got about 10 pictures.
Send them to me. Where's your ball retriever in the water, Jim? Gallons are in the back.
A lot. Ready?
Look at it.
That's good, that's good, that's good.
I can see water in, but there's a fish in the back.
I wouldn't be a bit surprised.
Make sure you got all your clubs.
I am.
We got so much water in here. Just let it dump.
Oh, wow. I bet my
I'm gonna
brain
have to
turned
edit
to
that
zoom.
video.